Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BNB from Revolut to your Trezor wallet in 2025. With crypto regulations evolving and new features popping up, this guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this step-by-step process will make things straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Revolut account with BNB in it, a Trezor hardware wallet set up, and a stable internet connection. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that your Trezor is properly connected and updated to the latest firmware for 2025. Step 1. Open your Trezor Suite app or device and navigate to the wallet section. Generate or select your BNB address. This is where your funds will land. Write it down or copy it carefully. One wrong character could send your BNB into the void. Step 2. Log into your Revolut app on your phone. Head over to the Crypto tab, find your BNB balance, and tap on Withdraw or Send. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so paste in that Trezor BNB address we just got. Step 3. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Revolut might show you fees or network details. For 2025, expect potential updates like lower fees on the BNB Smart Chain. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll need to verify with your Revolut security methods, like a PIN or biometrics. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes. Step 5. Back on your Trezor, refresh the wallet to see your BNB arrive. Awesome, you're done. Remember, always keep your private keys safe and never share them. That wraps it up for this guide. With these steps, you're all set to handle your crypto like a pro in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.